Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix X or Twitter not loading on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you want to try to force close and reopen X. Double tap on home, force close, wait for about 5 seconds. And then once that's done, reopen X and check if it works. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and go to your control center. Now, go ahead and toggle on airplane mode right here. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I'm currently screen mirroring. So just turn it on. Once it says turn on right here, wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then just turn it back off. And if you do have VPNs, or if you're currently using VPNs, try to disable it and check if it works. Now, there's one setting that you might have disabled. Okay, let's go ahead and go to our settings right here. Find the settings app. And then I'll go ahead and go to cellular. All right, just tap on it. And then in here, we are going to find X. All right, let's say you have X right here. Make sure that X is enabled right here. If this is disabled, X will only load when you are connected to Wi-Fi. Right? Now, once that's done, go ahead and check if it works. If that doesn't work, go back to settings. Now go to general right here, tap and hold, or just tap on it. Now tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find X. Tap. Now go ahead and offload the app. Okay. Again, offload. Wait a bit. Now go ahead and tap on reinstall. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's reinstalled, open it up and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, if that shouldn't work, there might be some outages from X, okay? You can go ahead and check it out online if there are outages. That is how you fix X or Twitter not loading on iPhone. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.